Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Follow Cookbook. Today we're making Brahmin baked potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to take 2 large russet potatoes, wash and dry them, and then pierce them several times with a fork, place onto a cookie sheet, and bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour until they are tender. While those in the oven, you're going to make the sauce. Real simple, combine half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup ketchup, a tablespoon of ground mustard, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of dried dill, and 2 teaspoons of prepared horseradish. And then just put in the fridge while you do everything else. Once the potatoes come out of the oven and they're cooling, you're going to use that time to shred a cup of Swiss cheese. Now, when the potatoes are cool enough to handle, they're going to cut each of them in half and then scoop out the meat of the potato until there's a 1/4 inch wall on the skin, being careful to keep the skin intact. And we're just going to put that in a bowl. Now, in a medium saucepan over medium heat, you're going to put 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And once the butter is melted a little bit, you're going to add your potatoes and mix it together, and then you're going to add, if you're using it, a teaspoon of caraway seeds and salt and pepper. Now for assembly, you're going to put 2 dollops of the sauce in each of the potato skins. Add a spoonful of the mashed potato on top, and then on top of that add corned beef, sauerkraut, and some of the shredded Swiss cheese. And then you're going to put that in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes, and then turn on the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is nice and brown. So these, very good. You probably will have to eat them with your hands because the skins are a little tough, but does not matter. So good. Very it kind of felt like it was gonna give me heartburn, but it was good. It really felt like purifying, like a trial by fire, and it was very yummy. Would definitely make them again. They don't take that long, but yeah, 9.5 out of 10. Highly recommend. You should make it.